Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am reviewing Amazon Basics highlighter. So I have ordered this highlighter 2 days ago. I got this product today. So I think let's review this product and share it to all of you. So here is the packaging. This is the packaging. Not bad, but this little bit. Okay, the packaging is not bad. The cardboard quality is so good. You can hear the sound. So as you have seen, here are the description of this product. This package carry 12 highlighter, assorted color, chisel tip highlighters, assorted colors, 12 pack. Made in China. So all the highlighters MRP is rupees 445, but I can tell you that I got this product only rupees 215. I got 12 highlighter from 215 rupees. So let's open this product. Where to open it? Here. Let's see. This is how it looks. 12 highlighter, 6 color. Let's open it. This is how it looks. Looks like a pen. So this is all the highlighter. 2 blue, 2 deep blue, no, this is purple, 2 pink, 2 green and 2 orange. This is all this highlighter from Amazon. When I am checking their review in the Amazon, truly speaking, their reviews, all the reviews are so good. Someone gave 5 stars, someone gave 4 stars, someone gave 3 stars. Okay, let's take this one. This highlighter is like a pen shape. Here written is Amazon Basics highlighter. I am opening this. Look, this is truly chisel tip. The reviewing is so good. Let's see how it works. This is all 6 color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is all 6 color. Let's demo and swatches. And after swatching, I will give my review to all of you. If whether you will buy it or not, I recommend it to you or not. Let's see. As you can see, this is an A4 size paper. Let's swatch one by one all the color. Nothing. you don't see any kind of color behind the page, so it will good. Let's see if it works good in a thin paper or not, cause A4 size paper is really thick. This is really a thick paper. So let's see, let's swatch it in a thin paper. Let's see. This is a book. It is really not so thin, not so thick in paper. Let's swatch this highlighter in this book, in this page. This page is thin, not so thin but thin. So I am swatching it. Let's see how it works in this page. The color is really looking so good. I'm rubbing it, but no bleed, no bleed, no smudging, not at all. Let's see behind the page. Yes, I see some color behind the page. Yes, I can see it. It is not at all. You can see the color behind the page, but this is okay, not so bad. So as you can see, I'm swatched this product, this highlighter in the thin page or in the thin page also. So time for my own thinking, time for my own thought, what I am thinking about this product. If you see this product, it looks like a pen kind of thing. You can easily grip it out and write it down. It is a chisel tip. Now I am saying this, that yes, you can go and buy this product without any doubt, because packaging quality is so good, the pen quality is so good, the color combination is so good. When I'm ordered this product, I have a little bit doubt, because the company is Amazon Basics. I mean, Amazon have their own company who sell this product, so I have my own doubt. But after buying this product, after swatch this product, I can tell you that this product is so good. And this is only ₹215 rupees. All 12 highlighters. I can't believe that all these 12 highlighters only from 215 rupees. If you go and see this highlighter in any kind of shop, in any kind of stationery shop, you get one highlighter 20 to 30 rupees. But here you get one highlighter less than 20 rupees. 12 highlighters 215 rupees. So I'm highly recommend to all of you. The price quality is so cheap. Go and buy this product. I will write all the links in the description down below. Go and check it out. From 16 to 19 Jan they start their sale, so go and check Amazon out. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.